Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in this quick video, I want to share with you guys an unboxing of a poster that I ordered from Canva.com. This video is not sponsored, just my honest opinion and just to let anyone know who's interested in ordering from Canva what it's like. So on July 29th, I ordered a poster. It was a single-sided premium paper gloss finish 12 by 16 poster of a quote that I wanted to hang on my wall. It did mention that shipping would be provided by UPS, going economy, so between 7 and 14 business days. It arrived to me in less than a week. It came on Wednesday, August 4th. The packaging was really nice, as you can see here. It was protected by a good sturdy box, and also they wrapped it in paper and sealed that with a sticker. Then this is what the finished product looks like. Overall, I'm in love with it. So you guys subscribe to my channel so you can see the upcoming bedroom, office / vanity transformation.